Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Creative Zen Pro. So the first one, you should have a USB-C cable and just connect it to the USB-C port on your headphones. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. But we have also the second one, is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect the cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.